Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and tech. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about. The wireless earbuds Bluetooth V5.3 headphones by daomim. Let's dive right in.
So, what makes these earbuds stand out from the rest? Well, let me break it down for you.
First off, let's talk about sound quality.
These earbuds boast 13mm speakers and a unique acoustic design, delivering deep bass, rich mids, and clear highs for an immersive listening experience. But that's not all. They come with a host of features that make them a must-have. One of my favorites is the auto quick pairing. With a built-in Hall effect switch, these earbuds automatically power on and connect to your device as soon as you open the charging case lid.
Plus, they have a range of up to 100 feet. Now, let's talk about convenience.
The dual LED power display on the charging case lets you keep track of the battery levels of both the earbuds and the case itself. No more guessing how much juice you have left, it's all right there at a glance.
And here's something really cool: smart touch controls. With touch controls located on the side of the earbuds, you can easily adjust volume, skip tracks, answer calls, and activate your voice assistant without fumbling for buttons.
Now, let's address a common concern: comfort. These earbuds have undergone extensive ergonomic testing to ensure a snug and comfortable fit for long listening sessions.
Plus, they come with 3 different ear tip sizes to suit your preference. And did I mention the battery life?
With up to 50 hours of playback time, you can enjoy your favorite tunes all day long without having to constantly recharge.
Plus, they're IPX7 waterproof, so you can sweat it out at the gym or get caught in the rain without worry. Wrapping it up, these earbuds offer top-notch sound quality, seamless connectivity, intuitive controls, all-day comfort, and impressive battery life, all at an unbeatable price. So, if you're in the market for a pair of wireless earbuds that deliver on performance without breaking the bank, look no further than the wireless earbuds Bluetooth V5.3 headphones by daomim. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy listening.